Morning friends, let's begin our exercise 11.2, question number 6. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. If one of its diagonal is 8 centimeter long, find the length of other diagonal. So as per the figure, there is a rhombus, and in this rhombus one of its sides is given, that is 5 centimeter. Suppose it is P, Q, R and S. Okay, they have also given us a diagonal which is of 8 centimeter. How much? 8 centimeter long. Okay, and altitude is also given of this. Suppose the altitude is 4.8 centimeter. Okay, so area of rhombus we need to find. So first of all, find the area of rhombus using the formula. We know that area of rhombus is equal to area of parallelogram. Okay, so area of parallelogram we can keep, because base and height, that is altitude, is given. So base multiplied by height. So base is equal to 5 centimeter and 4.8 is the height. If we multiply this, we are going to get, that is 24 centimeters square as the area of rhombus. Now let's we find the other diagonal, because one diagonal is given, they are asking us to find the length of another diagonal. We have find the area, because for finding the one of the diagonal we require the area of this rhombus. Let's think that the other diagonal is equal to D. Okay, we can take X also. Okay, suppose let's take X, another diagonal. Therefore area of rhombus is equal to area of parallelogram also, and this one also we were taking as a formula, base half into product of diagonal, which is equal to the area of parallelogram, or base into height, then also we are going to get this only, that is area of rhombus. Okay, so half multiplied by base is one of its given, it is d1 into d2. Suppose we think that one of the diagonal is given as x and another one it is already given to us 8 centimeter. Okay, and x centimeter. So we can cancel it out. 2 ones are 2 fours are, means 4 centimeter, means 4 into x means 4x. Okay, and the summation of means already given 24 centimeters square. Okay, so out of this 4 centimeter multiplied by x centimeter, we will just bring it to the other side. So it will be 24 centimeter square, means centimeter into centimeter, divided by 4 centimeter is equal to x centimeter. So centimeter get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 6 are. Therefore x is equal to 6 centimeter. X we have already taken as another diagonal. Therefore we can write another diagonal is 6 centimeter. Hope so. Clear? We proceed for the next sum. Seventh. 11.2. Question number 7. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped. So tiles in this floor which are in rhombus shape, and each of its diagonal of the tiles means are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. Apart from this, find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost is given per meter is rupees 4. So for polishing, cost of polishing, we require area of floor. So area of floor is not given, but they have given the number of tiles fitted on that, and the tile shape is rhombus shape. So we can find on the basis of number of tiles. So area of floor is equal to number of tiles multiplied by number of area of floor means number of tiles multiplied by area of tiles. So area of tiles which is in rhombus shape, and they have given diagonals of these tiles. So diagonal was a formula, that is half into d1 into d2, diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. So half multiplied by 45 centimeter multiplied by 3030 centimeter. So we can cancel it out here in the reduced form, that is 2 ones are 2 15s are. So 45 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter, it will be 675 centimeter square area of tiles. Now area of tiles multiplied by number of tiles, so it will be area of floor of the building. So total number of tiles also we have, that is total number of tiles is 3000. Okay, so area of floor is equal to number of tiles multiplied by area of tiles. Okay, that is 3000 multiplied by 675 centimeter square. So area, if we multiply with this two, so 30 and multiply 3 with 675, we will get 2025000 centimeter square. So this is given us in centimeter square, but the cost of polishing is given in meter square. So we need to convert this into meter square. When we are converting this into meter square, it means we know that 10,000 centimeter square is equal to 1 meter square. Therefore 2025000 centimeter square means 2025000 divided by 10,000 मीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. So it will be 202.5000 meter square. You can also remove this 30. You can write 202.5. Okay. Now we want to find the cost of polishing. So cost of polishing, cost of polishing the floor 1 meter per meter means 1 meter square is equal to rupees 4. Therefore cost of polishing entire floor means floor complete floor, how much meters? 202.5000 meter square. So we need to multiply this is equal to 4, I can write like here, 4 multiplied by 2025000, and I can write this, that's removing the decimal point over here, 0 0 0 0, 4 decimal point, 1 2 3 4, so this one. So 3030 get cancelled. Now 0.10, so I can just cancel it out, this one also. So 2 2s are and 2 5s are. Along with the help of 5, I can cancel this one also. 5 reduce form, 5 1s are, 5 4s are 20, 0, and it will become 25. 5 5s are 25. So now it is 2 multiplied by 405 rupees. Okay, this much rupees it will be. So rupees 810 total cost of polishing the floor of the given building. Clear, friends? Hope so clear to you all, and we proceed for the next question.